Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 Mustang Coupe in black with black cloth interior, seating for 4. This has a 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine. It's a rear-wheel drive and a manual transmission. It also has a backup camera, keyless entry, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your lighting controls located here. There's a little bin to put items and your release for your trunk. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you will also go through a menu, gauge mode, trip fuel, track apps, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the display screen, and when we put our vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. I'm just going to put myself back into neutral. And then you also have your media choices, AM, FM, and you have volume and tuner. Down below is your fan. You have your front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. And then there's your engine start stop, hazard lights, traction control, and there's your steering wheel feel. So as you press through that, you will see the different options you have. So comfort, then normal, sport, and back around again. And down below you have a USB and 12-volt manual shifter, emergency parking brakes beside the driver, a couple cup holders. Your armrest opens up. There's a USB outlet as well as a 12-volt in there, and some storage. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, and there's your lighting controls. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. Your backup camera is just above the pony, and you're also seeing backup sensors on your bumper. Dual exhaust. And when you're ready to open up that trunk, you can do so from inside, but you can also release it from the fob. You just double click and then just lift up from underneath. Inside, you've got this nice roomy carpeted trunk area, and then when you're ready, simply put your hand on the top, pull down, and it's now securely closed, and then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Passenger seat is also powered, so it makes it easy to just bring it ahead and then use the lever to bring the back of the seat forward. You now have access to the 2 seats in the back, and it's a 50-50 split. So you just pull the tab and you now have access to the trunk area. And then behind the seats, you're seeing the anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and just give it a push and it goes back up into the upright position. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat in the clip, as well as seat belt minders. LED tail lights, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, HID headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.